As charming as it is cool, the 66 Charger Fastback wraps sporty red, white, and black aesthetics around 434 cubic inches of Super Commando V8. It's the perfect way to grab a choice classic and enjoy every aspect of the hobby. Much nicer than when it rolled off the assembly lines. This B-body is the beneficiary of a detailed restoration that wrapped vivid two-stage around one of the best profiles to come out of Auburn Hills. That profile shows no signs of significant repair, suggesting it was a straight, trouble-free canvas before the restoration began. And fit and finish is good enough to make rigid panels line up exactly right. The best part of first-generation Chargers is their spectacular cockpits. Black and white vinyl wraps a super rare 4-bucket sedan layout. A two-tone dash wraps intricate electroluminescent gauges in stainless trim. A spectacular console serves a curved shifter, and a wood-rimmed wheel spins speed drill spokes. With incredible power and enough torque to turn wide tires into abstract asphalt art, this Dodge's 434 cubic inch Super Commando V8 is a buff Mopar monster. Motivation comes courtesy of a reliable A727 Torque Flight 3-speed. Classic, well-restored Mopars are just good, clean fun. And every time we park a reasonably priced example in our showroom, our phones start ringing off the hook. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.